Welcome to Camarillo's Emergency Expo, where you're about to discover a new patent-pending product called LifeTank. This new product will allow households to access fresh, clean water in the event of a water shutdown or contamination. Attending today is LifeTank's designer, Mick Benson. Mick, what is a LifeTank and how does it work?
Well, Sharon, the LifeTank is a uniquely designed high-pressure water system. And what that is we're able to hook this in line with your house water. And as you use your house water, like wash your dishes, those type of things, fresh water is constantly being flown through the tank that it could be used later on in case of an emergency. It looks like a water heater, but what it is, it's innovative technology in that it allows water to flow through it so you don't have to have any type of maintenance. Algae will not grow, it won't be stagnant, and it's connected up to your high-pressure water system in your house.
And Mick, what inspired you to design LifeTank?
Well, through the years, what I've seen was every time there's a natural disaster like Katrina in New Orleans or Sandy that hit last year, first thing that happens is people go to the stores and they buy out all the water because they want to be prepared. And so because of that, I was thinking instead of people having to go out and buy water, it'd be nice to have water readily available that's fresh for them to have in their house for that emergency.
And Mick, you showed me earlier how LifeTank works, that in the event of a contamination, you can actually isolate it with this lever right here. Tell us how that works.
Yeah, well, the way the tank is set up is it's piped into your house, and so water flows through it during normal use. And when there's an emergency where you need to then isolate your tank because you don't want it to be contaminated, you could be able to then flip one lever and allow you to go to isolate. And what that does is it puts the tank off your household system, and at that point all you have to do is just use these two spigots here to be able to then access the water that's in the tank. And you can be able to drink this water but still feed your house to flush toilets and those type of things.
I'm here with Dave Fukar, LifeTank's president. Dave, tell us the importance of LifeTank and what sets it apart from other products on the market.
Sure. Well, a LifeTank is a system that uses flow-through technology, so water never stagnates. That's the key difference. Of course, unfortunately, people are often not ready in an emergency, so they may have some small amount of water stored, but generally not enough for an emergency. And the water that they do have often stagnates because it doesn't get rotated. It needs to be filtered. It needs to be purified. With the LifeTank, that does not need to occur. Now, most people don't have enough water, and they don't realize, even if they have food stored, that they need water first. A person can't live more than 3 days without water. So our system provides a supply of water for a family in the event of an emergency or some other interruption in water.
Great. How much water is recommended per person?
Well, normally recommendations for water are anywhere from a gallon to 2 gallons, but in this case, about a gallon for a family of 4 would provide 3 weeks of water with our 80-gallon LifeTank.
And most people don't have that today.
No, most people don't, and the water supply that they do have usually expires on the shelf or just is not safe to drink in the event of an emergency. The LifeTank prevents that because water flows through, and so there is no bacteria, no algae, no issue with the shelf life of the water.
Dave, what else should consumers know about LifeTank?
Well, consumers should know that the LifeTank comes with a 12-month warranty, that all parts of the LifeTank are certified to be safe for drinking water, as well as the LifeTank is built here in the U.S., Ventura County.
All right, thanks for speaking with us.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you for joining us today to learn about LifeTank. For more information, you can go online to lifetanks.com or call 855-422-3131.